How to download music from Tidal for offline listening. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to download music from Tidal for offline listening. First, open your Tidal app and go to your library. Then choose a playlist or album that you want to download. Next, once you open the playlist, look for the download button. It usually appears as downward arrow or a toggle switch. Tap that button to start downloading. After that, wait for the download to complete. You will see a check mark or indicator showing that the songs are now saved on your device. Now, to listen offline, go to your settings, look for the offline mode option and turn it on. This allows you to play your downloaded music without an internet. Then, go back to your library and play your downloaded song anytime, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. For example, you can open your favorite playlist, tap the download button, and wait until all songs are saved before turning on offline mode. Tip: download your music using your Wi-Fi to save your mobile data and avoid interruption. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.